morning, dear pupils. Our lesson today is урок домашнього читання. Here you can see a text, which is called different kinds of bread. After my reading, please read it by yourself and answer some questions. Different kinds of bread. All bread starts from a simple recipe. You mix flour and water and cook it. From this simple beginning come hundreds of different kinds of bread. There are flat breads from the Middle East and Asia, and small, thin sticks from Italy. The typical French loaf is long, thin, soft, and white inside. German loaf is dark and heavy and square. Bread can be cooked in several ways. Often it is baked in an oven, but in India and South Africa, bread is fried, and there is at least one bread that is boiled before it's baked. Bread can also include things other than flour, for instance, onions, sausages, potatoes, or fruit. In some countries, bread is an important part of everyday food. When people sit down for a meal, there is always bread on the table. They say that if there is no bread, there is no food. In countries where people eat a lot of bread, words like bread and dough are sometimes used to talk about other important things. In English-speaking countries, for instance, bread and dough are both used to mean money. Some people talk about their jobs as their bread and butter, and the person in the family who brings home the money is called the breadwinner. If you're poor, very poor, you might say that you're on the bread line. A memory of the days when poor people waited in a line to be given bread. Знайдіть, будь ласка, в тексті англійські слова. Find the information in the internet. Which countries produce the most bread? What other different shapes of bread exist? Do Ukrainians consider that if there is no bread, there is no food? And write down your answers in your copybooks. See you soon, my dear children.